The failed Batangas flood control project in question reeks of corruption and is up for a probe which could likely charge and convict all those involved. But then the cover-up act of a bribe offered to a lawmaker has put a Batangas 1st District engineer in far deeper woes, which our Melales Moras dwells at length in this report.
Here at Taal Municipal Police Station in Batangas, Engineer Abelardo Calalo, one of the district engineers of the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH in Batangas, remains in custody. He was arrested after allegedly attempting to bribe Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Legarda Leviste in an apparent effort to stop him from investigating alleged anomalies in DPWH projects within the district. According to the police, they immediately responded last Friday after the incident was reported to them.
Pumunta po kami doon, naabutan namin si DE na may hawak na eco bag at may lamang pera. Base po sa inventory namin, inabot siya ng 3.1, 26.9. Ongoing pa po kasi yung investigation, hindi pa ako makapagbigay ng eksaktong detalye.
PTV News tried to get the suspect's side but he would rather have us talk to his lawyer.
Baka pwede pong makunan kayo ng panig kung may gusto lang po kayo iparating sa publiko?
According to Congressman Leviste, he will formally file a complaint against Engineer Calalo tomorrow before the office of the Batangas Provincial Prosecutor. The congressman firmly stated that corruption in any form should never be tolerated. In fact, instead of halting his investigation, he personally visited the Binambang Riverbank Protection Project today, one of the allegedly anomalous DPWH projects in their district. The structure is noticeably damaged despite having built just a few years ago.
This is more than just about the incident being discussed. This is about how we can get our money's worth on the 1 trillion pesos in flood control projects and whether it is really wise for the government to spend another 250 billion pesos plus for new projects in 2026 when instead, if we just do audits like this, we can ask the contractors of the previous projects to cover the cost of repairing and extending them.
Other lawmakers meanwhile praised Leviste for his actions.
Maganda yung ginawa ni Congressman Leviste. Tama yun.
Kung kayo sir yung magiging ganun sa ganung sitwasyon, would you do the same po?
Yes, I would do the same. In fact, talagang magagalit ka sa ganun eh.
Tinawagan ko agad si Senator Lawrence. Sabi ko, ano nangyari kay ganon. In so many words, sabi niya, yeah, I'm so worried about his security. So more or less, he confirmed na talaga nangyari yun.
Melales Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.